Hey, I got this beautiful big eye tuna and we're making nigiri sushi today. You'll notice that we have these lines running through it. This tuna has already been portioned into what we call a saku block. And you'll find these lines, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut against it perpendicular to the line. In order to do that, we're just gonna need one big knife. Now, I have a trusty sashimi knife here, but any big knife will do. And you'll notice there are the lines running through this, just like you would find in a steak. And we're gonna place the fish down and cut against the grain perpendicular to those lines. So when you grab your knife to slice your fish, I recommend you grab it with your thumb and middle finger, pinch it, and then use your index finger as a guide to draw the knife through the fish. Finding that the perpendicular points, we're gonna start at the heel and go through the tip. Just like so. And then from here, just nice thin slices. I like my nigiri to be about 10 grams, but you choose what you like. As we slice, we're gonna pull from the bottom to the tip. When we get to the very bottom, we're gonna turn the knife just a little bit to make this beautiful little mark to ensure that we have a very clean edge. So we have this gorgeous tuna that's already been sliced, and we're gonna make nigiri. We're all set up here. We have our water, we have our wasabi, and we have our sushi rice. If you wanna learn how to make sushi rice, check out one of my other videos. From here, we need to wet our hands. So we're gonna do a technique what I call tiger's paw. I'm gonna take our 5 fingers on our right hand, and we're gonna dip it in the water, and we're gonna put it on our left hand and just kind of rub them together until there's a thin layer of water. From there, you use your fingertips on your right hand to grab a little rice ball. If your hands get a little dry like mine are right now, just dip it in a little bit and do it again. All right, so get your rice ball, and we're going to roll it in our hand until a ball is formed. Then grab our fish. We're gonna take a little bit of wasabi, put it right in the middle. We're gonna put that rice ball in the middle of the fish, and we're gonna pinch the 2 sides while making a divot with our thumb. We're gonna pinch the front and back sides, pinch the left and right sides again, then we're gonna roll it. Now that we have it flipped over, we're gonna pinch the left and right side while using our thumb to shape the top. We're gonna move it down to the crease of our hand, and with one finger over the top, we're gonna gently squeeze. This is gonna help shape it. We're gonna rotate it. Again, move it to the crease of our hand, one finger, and gently squeeze. Shape again, and one last time, crease of our hand, gently squeeze. And there we go, we have it formed. And the last step is a brush of nigiri.